Cookware designed for glass stovetops matters because the surface is both visually prominent and mechanically delicate. Glass surfaces demand cookware with smooth bottoms, even heat distribution, and materials that won't scratch or craze the surface.
List number 1. Glass cooking pot with lid. Loray's offers a 1.6-liter borosilicate pot with a glass lid and a heat-resistant wooden handle. The ribbed exterior and transparent glass design emphasize visibility and a modern aesthetic, while the borosilicate glass promises thermal stability and non-stick-like cleaning thanks to a ribbed interior surface. This pot is oven-safe and marketed as versatile for simmering, boiling, and even frying-like tasks due to its deep shape. Performance-wise, the ribbed interior is noted as non-stick in marketing terms, aiding cleanup and minimizing sticking. The wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, but it may insulate heat less effectively than metal handles, requiring careful handling when hot. The 1.6-liter capacity is ideal for small batch soups, sauces, or baby food prep, and its borosilicate construction should resist thermal shock better than standard glass. Real-world usage benefits include easy monitoring through the clear glass lid and compatibility with stovetops, ovens, and safe hot hold serving.
List number 2. HSE 3-piece glass simmer pot heat-resistant clear 1.3, 1.5, and 1.9-liter saucepan with cover, handle glass pots for cooking. HSE provides a 3-piece glass simmer pot set in 1.3-liter, 1.5-liter, and 1.9-liter capacities. This trio emphasizes versatility and value, with borosilicate glass construction designed for high heat resistance and clear visibility. This set is marketed for multiple cooking tasks, including baby food, sauces, pasta, and soups, and is suitable for stovetop use on gas or electric surfaces. In practice, the 3 sizes offer a modular approach to cooking, enabling one-pot sauces on the small size while simmering larger batches in the 1.9-liter pot. The glass material ensures even heat distribution, though care is advised on high flames to avoid cracking. The product notes indicate safe for stovetops and oven use, with user experience citing the ease of observing progress without lifting lids. Cleaning is straightforward due to smooth glass surfaces, and the included sizes help minimize cookware clutter.
List number 3. UFan 2 sets glass pots for cooking on stove kitchen glass cookware, clear cooking pot with lid handle. UFan bundles 2 glass pots plus accessories, totaling 60 ounces or approximately 1.8 liters, with wooden handles and a set that includes sponge brushes and silicone hot pads. The pots are borosilicate glass designed for stovetop use, with a clear design that allows cooks to observe simmering and cooking without lifting lids. The package emphasizes a balanced approach to daily cooking needs and a range of compatible heating methods. Performance-wise, the 1.8-liter size is a versatile middle ground for sauces, soups, or porridge. The wooden handles help with grip and heat protection, but may extend cooling times when removing from the flame. The product notes warn about high heat on open flames and suggest using induction where possible. This implies more reliable performance on induction stoves than on gas. Real-world use shows easy transfer from stove to table thanks to the glass design, though users should avoid sudden temperature changes to prevent cracking.
List number 4. Vision's glass cookware saucepan set. 6-piece non-induction heat-resistant cookpot with lids, VS-337. The Vision 6-piece set by Kane Cosmetic presents a premium glass cookware ensemble, including 1.0-liter, 1.5-liter, and 2.5-liter pots with corresponding lids, and a dedicated storage lid. This non-induction set targets serious glass cookware enthusiasts seeking heat resistance up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit or 400 degrees Celsius, and a storage-friendly design. It emphasizes durability, eco-friendly materials, and a high heat tolerance suitable for direct stovetop use. In use, the larger 2.5-liter pot capabilities cover routine tasks from boiling pasta to simmering stews, while the 1.0-liter and 1.5-liter pots offer precision for sauces and reductions. The polypropylene storage lids are a practical addition for meal prep and fridge storage.
However, the set explicitly notes non-induction compatibility, which limits its utility for owners with induction cooktops. The glass construction's heat resistance supports stable performance, but
List number 5. Glass cooking pots. Revolvesau offers an affordable 1.9-liter, 64-ounce borosilicate glass pot with a lid designed for stovetop use on gas or electric surfaces. The set emphasizes health-conscious materials, lead-free, non-toxic, and a clear design that enables cooking observation without lid removal. It's positioned as a versatile option for soups, pasta, and baby food, with a focus on easy cleaning and durability at a budget-friendly price. Performance-wise, the 64-ounce capacity sits in a practical middle range for small families or shared households. The borosilicate glass promises resistance to thermal shock, and the clear design plus 2 glass handles offer ergonomic handling. The note that it is not recommended for open flames in one corner of the description suggests careful flame control or avoiding direct high heat surges. The 4.5 out of 5-star rating indicates strong user satisfaction for the price, though the lack of explicit induction compatibility is worth noting.